Hey friends, today I'm sharing a super simple and totally natural recipe to make your own moisturizing cream at home. This is perfect for the whole body, whether you're tackling dry elbows, knees, or just want to pamper your skin with something luxurious and chemical-free. And the best part, you only need a few ingredients you can easily find. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A half cup of shea butter. This stuff is magic. It's super moisturizing and works wonders for dry or sensitive skin. Quarter cup of coconut oil. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's also great for hydration. And quarter cup of sweet almond oil or jojoba oil. Both are lightweight and perfect for keeping your skin soft without feeling greasy. And if you're feeling fancy, add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender is calming, tea tree is great for soothing the skin, and rose oil just smells divine. Totally up to you. First, we're going to melt our base ingredients. Grab a double boiler, or if you don't have one, just use a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water like I'm doing here. Add your shea butter and coconut oil to the bowl and let them slowly melt. Stir occasionally to help it along. You don't need to rush this. Gentle heat is the key. Once everything's melted and combined into this golden liquid, take it off the heat. Now we're going to add our liquid oil. This is the sweet almond or jojoba oil. Pour it in and give it a good stir. Now comes the cool down phase. We need this mixture to thicken up slightly before whipping it. Pop it into the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. You want it to be firm, but not rock solid. Think of it like softened butter. That's the texture we're aiming for. All right, now that it's cooled and starting to thicken, we're going to whip it up. Grab a hand mixer, or even a whisk if you're ready for a bit of an arm workout. Start whipping until it turns light, fluffy, and creamy. This step is what gives it that luxurious whipped texture that's so satisfying to apply. And if you're adding essential oils, now's the time. Just a few drops go a long way. I'm using lavender today because it's relaxing and smells like a spa in a jar. Give it one last whip to mix everything together. Finally, transfer your whipped cream into a clean, airtight jar or container. How pretty does that look? Store it in a cool, dry place and it'll stay fresh for up to 3 to 6 months. To use, just scoop out a small amount, warm it up in your hands, and massage it into your skin. It melts on contact and feels so rich and hydrating. Honestly, a little goes a long way. And there you have it, your very own homemade moisturizing cream. It's simple, affordable, and free of all those unnecessary chemicals. Plus, it's customizable with your favorite scents. If you try this out, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could use a little extra skincare love. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next video.